We are here in beautiful Paso Robles, California, and I'm going to teach you how to make wine. Do we have some more wine? A friend invited me over to his vineyard. He said, Arnold, why don't you come on over? I'll show you around and you'll make a video. Hopefully you could teach people how to make wine. And I said, why not? So here we are. Now, hopefully after the end of this video, you can make wine at home and you'll have learned something. So now, join me.
Je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner, je veux seulement oublier et puis je fume. Déjà j'ai connu le parfum de l'amour, 1 million de roses n'embâmerait pas autant. Maintenant une seule fleur dans mes entourages me rend malade. Je ne veux pas travailler, je ne veux pas déjeuner, je veux seulement oublier et puis je fume. Je ne suis pas fière de sa vie qui veut me tuer. C'est magnifique être sympathique, mais je ne le connais jamais. Je ne veux pas travailler, non, je ne veux pas déjeuner. Je veux seulement oublier, et puis je fume.
Now that we've finished picking up our grapes, now it's time to begin the actual winemaking process, and hopefully our end result will look something like this. This burgundy maroon colored wine, and hopefully it will retain some sugar at the end, and it will give us a semi-sweet wine. It's delicious. You know, it has a little bit of a smoky taste to it because we actually had some wildfires not too long ago, so the smoke kind of blanketed the grapes, giving it that like robust flavor. So the first step we are going to do is clean our grapes. We're going to lightly soak it. As you see, there's some cobweb right here, and we don't want that in our wine, so we'll let the grapes soak for a second and hopefully clear off any dirt, debris, or bugs of any kind. So this is the juice that we've extracted from our little bundle of grapes. As you see, it's still partially cloudy and the sediment is gradually falling to the bottom. We'll give it a little taste test. It's sweet. It's very, very sweet. The sugar is coating my tongue. Now this is a very good thing when you're learning to make any sort of wine, spirit, or cider. You need 2 key ingredients, sugar and yeast. Now, in order to make wine, you need to incorporate yeast into your sugary mixture. In this instance, we are going to use the skin of the grape. The skin of the grape has natural yeast on it. Now, what's going to happen is the yeast is going to counteract with your sugary mixture, the juice, and it's eventually going to eat all that sugar and convert that into alcohol. Now, through the course of this time, the wine will become dry. And eventually, when there's no more sugar to eat, the yeast will die and settle at the bottom.
can't give you anything but love. Oh, baby, oh, that's the only thing I've plenty of. Oh, baby.
So your fermentation process is going to take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks, maybe even longer. Then you're going to have to wait a little bit longer to let it settle and clear up. And then you're going to have to filtrate it and begin bottling. And then from there, you could drink it while it's young, or you could age it for however long you want. It's all a matter of preference at that point, but I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you around.